This Chanel handbag cake looks so realistic. We're starting by stacking up the bits of cake together, adding icing in the middle, and we're gonna add some purple icing all around it. We shaped it as a bag, denting the edges. And now we're gonna add on black sugar paste, our leather look. Denting the Chanel pattern on top of it. Cut it the shape of the side and do the same for the other side. We're using a cutter to make the dents. Do that for all edges. Again, giving it this really nice Chanel look. Use a ruler and a cutter to make sure they are really well marked. Next, we're going to use some white and we're going to cut out the logo inside of it. We're painting it in gold. And we're going to do the same in black. And here's the front of the bag. We're doing a chain around it. We're going to take some white clay and make little circles that we're going to paint in gold. Next, we're going to be adding some white sugar paste into a mold and create a chain. And paint everything in gold again. Using some black paste, we're going to make a line. And we're going to attach the chain at the top of the bag. Putting the black line in the middle, just like leather. Dent the back a little bit more, giving it texture. And making the squares stick out. I'm going to spray paint it to make it shiny. And here's the result.